My name is Mohamed I'm a manufacturing operations manager on Shift 4, FSO, Oregon. I've been with Intel 5+ years. When I first got the job, I was a manufacturing technician. So working to my manager, doing our one-on-one, he asked me, what do I want to do in the next 2 years? I told him, I want to become just like you. I want to be a manufacturing manager. So the technical aspect of it is always a key factor to you being successful, and knowing the people that has really, really helped me enjoying the role that I have right now. And I'm not sure I'm going to trade it anytime soon. We believe in our culture. We are family. We are one family. That's one thing. I wish every company can be like this. I can speak to anybody. There is no hierarchy barrier. You can go to anyone that you want to go to. You can go to the factory manager and discuss your issues or ask them questions. We do a lot of things about safety. We talk about safety every day before we start work, at the middle of work, or in our specs. Everything we do just resonates around safety. And that's something you don't see so often. I am Mohamed, and I am Intel.